In today's challenging economic landscape, financial stability can often feel like a distant dream. Whether it's due to poor money management skills, insufficient income, or a combination of both, the hurdles are real. This video is your gateway to invaluable insights on money management, personal finance, and investing. If you're determined to enhance your financial future, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. The deceptive nature of credit card spending. Research tells us that consumers tend to spend significantly more when using credit cards as opposed to cash. The tangibility of cash, with its perceived value and emotional connection, often leads to more prudent spending compared to swiping a credit card or making virtual transactions. The ease of postponing payment and opting for minimum payments contributes to this spending behavior. Credit card perks, from cashback offers to airline miles, often prompt consumers to justify increased spending, unintentionally accumulating more debt. These seemingly small transactions can have a considerable impact, straining your financial health. Recognizing the pitfalls of credit card usage and making a conscious effort to control it are critical aspects of financial management. Rather than focusing solely on the enticing rewards, consider the long-term financial consequences of your credit card spending. The alarming lack of emergency savings. A startling statistic reveals that 56% of Americans don't have $1,000 set aside for unexpected expenses. In today's world, where inflation has eroded the value of money, this amount doesn't stretch as far as it used to. Everyday emergencies, such as car repairs or medical bills, can quickly consume such a sum. The absence of an emergency fund often forces people to resort to high-interest loans or credit card debt to address unforeseen financial burdens. This perpetuates a cycle of financial stress and debt accumulation that could have been avoided with adequate preparation. Building an emergency fund is paramount to financial security. It serves as a financial safety net, offering peace of mind when life's unexpected challenges arise. Without an emergency fund, you may be left in a vulnerable financial position. To safeguard your financial stability, consider building an emergency fund equivalent to at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This financial cushion can help you weather life's occasional financial storms. The epidemic of inadequate saving habits. It's no surprise that roughly 20% of Americans save none of their income. With the high cost of living, daily expenses, and often insufficient income, many people find it challenging to set money aside for savings. The lack of emphasis on saving and investing can lead to financial instability in the long run. Savings serve as the foundation of financial security. Having savings provides a safety net for emergencies and enables you to invest and grow your wealth over time. While it can be difficult to save amid daily living expenses, a conscious effort to create a budget and allocate a portion of your income to savings can set you on the path to financial security. Starting small is perfectly acceptable. The key is to develop a consistent savings habit, which can lead to significant financial security over time. Setting up automatic transfers to your savings account can make this process hassle-free, allowing you to build your savings effortlessly. The looming retirement crisis. Only 22% of Americans nearing retirement feel financially prepared to retire. Inflation is devaluing the dollar, and concerns about market volatility are looming. The retiree's future may involve financial challenges due to these and other factors. Retirement is a significant milestone that necessitates careful planning and preparation. There is a legitimate concern regarding retirement expenses, notably the impact of inflation. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of the dollar, meaning that your retirement savings may not stretch as far as expected. Healthcare costs, which tend to rise as people age, further compound the challenge. To address these concerns, retirees are considering ways to continue working in some capacity after retirement. This isn't just for supplemental income, it's also for maintaining an active and fulfilling lifestyle. Working after retirement, a new reality. Given the uncertainties associated with retirement, 69% of working Americans are planning to continue working in some capacity after retiring. While this may provide structure and additional income, it should not be seen as the sole option. Working after retirement can be a choice that offers a sense of purpose, structure, and extra income. It can provide individuals with the flexibility to determine when and how they want to work during their retirement years. However, the goal should be to have the freedom to decide when you work and for how long. Retirement should be a phase where you have the option to balance work with leisure and other pursuits. The key to achieving this balance is effective financial planning. The harsh reality of working until the end. The idea of working until you're physically unable is far from an ideal retirement scenario. Planning for financial security is paramount to ensuring that you have the choice to retire when you want, rather than when you have to. While working after retirement can provide a safety net, it's essential to have a plan for financial independence. By diligently saving, investing, and managing your finances, you can aim for a retirement where you can enjoy life on your own terms, rather than being forced to work out of necessity. Thanks for joining us on this journey toward financial prosperity. Remember, your financial future is within your control. By managing your expenses, increasing your income, and investing wisely, you can work toward financial security. Happy investing!